Hey guys, Danny Johnson here with a channel update. It's been so hot lately, and in the evenings recently it's been raining almost every night, which is great. We love getting the moisture here in the desert, and it cools everything down. Raining, time to pull the Mach 1 out, let it get wet, wipe it down. It's been too dirty lately. So the next morning when the roads were all dried up, which they were really dried up like 45 minutes after it rained, but anyway, next morning I decided to take the Mach 1 out for a nice little spirited drive. I just changed the oil in it, and so you know, it hasn't even had enough miles to change the oil, but it just needed the new oil change for how long it's been sitting. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. These Mach 1s are getting harder to find and see. You don't really see them much driving around anymore. And so this one's kind of the middle child as well. You know, I drive the Cobra on weekends and I daily drive the GT. So the Mach 1 doesn't get a lot of use, but I'm always happy when I go take it out for a little drive. So that's what we did today. So anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next video.